Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest rumors surrounding the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Despite being months away from its launch, there's already buzz circulating about some exciting changes, particularly in the camera department. Camera configuration shakeup. According to insider information from X, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to sport three rear cameras, a departure from its predecessor's quad-camera setup. The notable omission: the 10MP3X optical zoom telephoto lens. Instead, Samsung plans to enhance the main camera's capabilities to capture 3x zoom shots with improved image processing. Main camera enhancements. The main camera on the S25 Ultra is expected to retain the same resolution and sensor size as its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. However, Samsung aims to elevate its light capturing abilities through improved image processing techniques. This move suggests that Samsung is confident in the main camera's prowess to handle zoom shots effectively. Consistency in ultra-wide performance. While changes are anticipated in the main and zoom cameras, the ultra-wide camera is reportedly remaining unchanged during the prototyping stage. This suggests that Samsung is maintaining consistency in the performance of this essential camera component. Evolution of periscope zoom technology. One of the most intriguing developments is in the periscope zoom camera of the S25 Ultra. Reports suggest that Samsung is experimenting with variable zoom, offering two fixed focal lengths. The first range is between 4x and 5x, while the second spans from 6x to 7x. This innovative approach indicates Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of smartphone photography. Final thoughts and speculations. While these rumors provide tantalizing glimpses into the potential upgrades of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera system, it's essential to take them with a grain of salt until official confirmation. However, if these speculations hold true, we can anticipate significant advancements in zoom capabilities and image processing, further cementing Samsung's position as a leader in smartphone photography. Thanks for joining us as we unpack the latest rumors surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera upgrades. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And as always, stay tuned for future updates on the S25 Ultra and other exciting tech developments. See you next time.